Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, it's about that time. We haven't had something from Beard Gains on the channel in a while, and today we're going to take a look at some beard soap. I know, right? But stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this guy. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, man, we do things really unique here, okay? Now, if you look right down below, this is for you first timers and you long time viewers, you're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Alright, you might want to consider clicking on that or hovering over it to pull up subscribe and knock it out the way early, simply because, you know, you're really going to enjoy this video and we've got a lot more running out. Alright, well, especially that way I can keep popping up in your timeline. But anywho, alrighty guys, as I said in the opening, we're going to take a look at Beard Gains Vahalla Beard Soap. Now here's the package. It's fancy as heck. And I've said this before on every single thing I've brought from Beard Gains to the channel. And speaking of that, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever, sitting right up there. We have at least 3 of them sitting right in there. Beard Gains has some amazing, just flat out amazing artwork on their packaging. That is what instantly attracted me to them. Flat out. And there's, well, the back of the box. Sides and the bottom really don't have, you know, that much. But still, we'll get to the rest in a second. Now, honestly, I found Beard Gains totally by accident with a Facebook ad. You guys know how that goes when you're talking to your wife about a toaster or a blender and all of a sudden Facebook has billions of ads for you. That's when I saw them. I saw some of their artwork and went, cool, let me bring it to the channel. Now, they are based out of the US, you know, they are made in the USA, based out of, man, excuse me. It's been a long night, and yeah, my home's about to be invaded by family that I really don't want here, but still, you know how that goes. Now, they are made in the USA out of 2 places that I'm aware of. The majority of stuff is made in North Carolina, but there is some stuff that is made in Alabama. And I believe it says somewhere down here. Alright, well, heck with it. I'm not even going to spend too much time looking for it. Alright, you can find them at www.beardgains.com. And don't worry, I'm going to leave that info down below in the description box so you can find it. I love the fact their slogan is basically made for a man, but loved by women. Now, they do have a motto that basically says, a well-maintained beard is, you know, fantastic for outwards appearances, but essential for inner health. And, you know, with this journey I've been doing and switching different products and going into other areas, I know the bald spot's still there, but it is shrinking. It is. You can see that little area right there that's been filling in, so hopefully we'll get that done too. Or I've been looking at more natural products, more healthy products, and better stuff to put on my body, and that way I'm not getting a whole bunch of chemicals. Now, there's the bar. It's just like your standard bar soap, okay? But I like how it has, you know, the Beard Gains logo sitting in there, and yeah, it smells a lot like the Vahalla oil that we brought to the channel. And if you forgot about that, basically it's just notes of really like orange and honey mixed in there with a bit of like woodsy kind of feel to it. It smells incredible. It's like a 5.6 ounce bar. Now I'm going to put this down so I'm not getting my hands all soapy. Alright guys, so sorry about that. Like I said, 5.6 ounce bar. Basically, they take 4 weeks to cure when they're making it, and it's got a shelf life of about 4 to 5 years, depending on, you know, how you store it. Now, some of the benefits that they have said for their stuff is it's going to diminish beard dandruff, you know, that beard rough. It's going to help kill beard itch, which I'll be honest, using other stuff in my beard recently, when I had you know, that accident again where I had the shaving accident, had to reboot the reboot. The beard itch was not as killer this time around. It promotes beard growth. It helps hydrate. I can't even. Whatever. It helps hydrate and restore damaged skin and beard hair. I put something else down here in my notes, and honestly, I can't even read my own handwriting at that point. That's why I was looking at the screen like Whiskey Tango Foxtrot. Now, if you are curious about the ingredients in there, it's cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, goat's milk, which they use in theirs, olive oil, essential oil blend, and fragrance, which are naturally derived. All their fragrances and essential oils are body safe. Now, I love how they put here right on the back. It says, the bar is set high with this superior, awesome smelling beard bar shampoo that is guaranteed to make your beard softer, cleaner, and your skin healthier. It's made from goat's milk. These free-roam goats are are specially fed and nourished to produce a higher vitamin-rich milk to produce a premium product like no other. After quality tested and approved, each bar is then bagged and sealed to lock in, the same. Yeah, okay. So there's that. I will tell you, it came wrapped in one layer and it came wrapped in another on top of that. So when I opened the box, it's got a faint odor. Okay. When I took the plastic off, I went, damn, that is amazing. Now, in case you're curious, over on beardgains.com, it's going to cost you $12.99, and it's got a 5 out of 5 star rating, but I really didn't see any of the reviews. I didn't look down below and see everything, it just said it was 5 out of 5. Over on Amazon, it's $13.99 with a 4.3 out of 5 star rating and 17 reviews. Now, as of today, August 2nd, 2019, when I'm shooting this video, this one, the Vahalla, is not available on Amazon. Now, if you're not familiar with beard soap, it's real simple, guys. It's just like you're using soap for your body. You get your beard all wet and whatnot, get it in there, start working it around, get it all lathered up, get your hands in there, start scrubbing the crap out of it, and then rinse it out. I will say this. You may want to use a co-wash afterwards, because if you use too much of the soap, it could strip out the oils in your beard. Sorry, a little gnat or something flying around. It could strip out the oils. Now, I haven't had that bad of an experience with the Vahalla soap. I haven't. And just in case you're wondering, I usually buy 2 of everything so I can bring you a clean one right on the video, as opposed to one that's all gnarly and beat up. Now, it leaves a wonderful smell. It gets everything clean, and it does what it's supposed to do. So you really can't beat that. The soaps that I've used before have lasted me about a month to about a month and a half. I've got, like I showed in that other one from Bossman Brands, I'm using their little in-shower holder, and sometimes it collects water on the bottom, which really, you guys know when your soap gets really wet, it just speeds up the death rate of the soap. But all that being said, I kind of feel like I'm rambling on about silly stuff at this point, so forgive me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. You guys know we're going to have a great discussion, okay? I really didn't think I would like beard soaps. I didn't think so. I mean, if you guys have been paying attention to the Instagram channel, you know I've been bringing a bunch over there before I shoot a review over here. And I'll be honest, before I even shoot the review, I've been trying out the other soaps just to make sure everything going on before I come here. Because you guys really don't want to see a start of a review, and then, many nights later, hi, I'm back. But all that fun stuff being said, let's get to the wrap-up, guys, all right? So if you're first-time viewers of the channel, I really hope I caught your attention on this one, and I hope, I earned more of your time. If not, thank you so much for viewing this video. It means the world to me that all the ones out there on YouTube, you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's your second chance at redemption, because we believe heavily in redemption on this channel. Look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked out subscribe, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's an incredible question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up. That's right, over here on this side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Beard Gains Vahalla Beard Soap. It's an amazing product. You might want to try pick one up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you, that's right, you and you, have an incredible day today.